Racing Jazz is started with Fame and Fortune break quickly to start. Leave My Mark rushing upon the outside. Guapo Face and Security Chip in between horses. Sweet Music. Blue Eagle comes next. Echo Mac then followed by Come Like Jew. Katotohanan Dark Sequence comes next. Star of Manel then down on the inside is Boss Pogi. In between horses Hail Praises while Security Thunder raised the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Fame and Fortune. Alongside comes Guapo Face and in third Leave My Mark. Moving up on the outside Echo Mac. Blue Eagle comes next. Then followed now by Security Chief. Katotohanan comes next. Dark Sequence then followed now by Hail Phrases. And they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Leave My Mark by about 4 lengths, and in second is Fame and Fortune. Echo Mac is on the outside. Guapo Face with about 150 meters more to run. We have Leave My Mark by about 3 lengths over Echo Mac in second, and finally Leave My Mark. Echo Mac, Fame and Fortune close with Security Chief.
Okay, another long shot. Number 5, that's Leave My Mark. Crossing the Y first. Second choice.